Hazrat Huzaifa bin Yaman radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam narrated two ahadith to me. I have observed one of them whereas I am waiting for the other. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Honesty descended into the depth of the people's hearts. Then the Quran descended, and the people inquired the knowledge of the Quran and the Hadith. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then foretold about the withdrawal of honesty and said, a man will sleep for some time, and the honesty will exit his heart, and there will remain its trace resembling a faint color. Later he will go to sleep again for some time, and the remainder of the honesty will exit his heart, leaving a trace like a blister, as there appears a blister when you step on an ember. You will find it swollen, but it contains nothing in it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then took a gravel and rolled it on his foot. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "They will carry out the trade in the morning, but none of them will resort to honesty. And people will even say, there used to be an honest man in such and such tribe, and that man is very intellectual, sprightly, and sage, but he will not have faith equal to even a mustard seed in his heart." Thereafter Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said, "Once there was a time when I would carry out business transaction with every person without any fear, thinking that if he was a Muslim, his religion would proscribe him from dishonesty, and if he was a Christian or a Jew, he would not commit dishonesty out of fear of the ruler. But now I trade with none save so and so and so and so." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 365.